The Resultant Force Interactive Calculator solves for the combined effect of multiple forces acting on an object. Let's explore the inputs. First, select your calculation mode from the drop-down menu, which offers 2 forces magnitude and angle, 3 forces magnitude and angle, component form Fx/Fy, reverse find force from resultant, or equilibrium find balancing force. For this demonstration, I'm using 2 forces mode. Enter force F1 magnitude in newtons. I'll input 150. Next, F1 angle from plus x-axis in degrees, that's 45. Then force F2 magnitude in newtons. I'll enter 200. Finally, F2 angle from plus x-axis in degrees, that's 120. Click Calculate Resultant to see your results. The calculator returns 4 key outputs. Resultant magnitude shows 279.337 newtons. This is the total force strength. Direction angle reads 88.76 degrees. That's the resultant's direction from the positive x-axis. X component Rx equals 6.066 newtons, the horizontal component. Y component Ry equals 279.271 newtons, the vertical component. These values completely define your resultant force vector. This tool streamlines force analysis for engineering applications. Find the link in the description below.